Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable data switching on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and now you want to turn on data switching, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable or disable data switching on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings application. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on connections. Once you selected connections, locate and click on SIM manager. Now under SIM manager, if you see data switching, click on it once, and I should see switch to another SIM for mobile data if the preferred SIM can't connect. So if you have a dual SIM Samsung device like the A54 5G and you turn on data switching, this is going to automatically switch between data SIM each time you turn on mobile data on your A54 5G. Now to turn off the data switching, if you don't want to switch automatically between SIMs on your Samsung A54 while connected to the internet on the mobile internet, click on data switching under SIM manager and then toggle this off, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to enable or disable data switching on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.